Now I'm going to peel this Pico mango. It's called Pico. If this is still unripe, I hope so. No, it's really ripe. Oh gosh, I'm expecting that this always be unripe mango, but I failed. But not bad. Don't worry, I still have my manggang kalabaw, but this one is Pico. Anyways, look at that, it's already ripe.